pushed. Recording.
Now it's gonna kill me.
3 seconds. 5 seconds. 6 seconds.
Ghost pepper here, and I'm gonna chew this motherfucker up, and it's gonna kill me. But I'm gonna go and eat it. There's a whole one. I just cut the stem off.
Yeah. You're 18 seconds into the gig here. 25 seconds. We're half a minute. Yeah, his face is getting red. Red, red, red. Oh, God. Oh, yeah, he's getting real red. Woo! Smoke's fixing to come out of his ears. Maybe his eyeballs. I don't know. He's still chewing a little bit. Oh, he's gonna have him a little Bud Light. Heat it up, boss. Heat it up, boss. If y'all can't see it, I can. His face is like real red now. Like he's got high blood pressure or something. He gonna get a little salt. He gonna do a little salt so he can make it a little bit hotter. Oh yeah, woo!
That is hot as fuck.
The man is speechless. I'm talking about completely speechless. We're a minute and 47, 8, 9, 50. Yeah. How long you want me to wait till I click this off?
Wow.
I can't believe you just ate that damn thing. You actually ate it. You really ate it. Oh, he said, oh, he don't want no more. Hold on. Where are you going? I'm trying to keep you in the screen, man. No, wait a minute. I got to keep you in the screen. Woo! Hold up. We're going in the house. Hold tight, people. I'm coming. Woo! We just turned the corner. We're going in the house. Oh, we're definitely going in the house. And we're getting the milk. He's got to have the milk now. He don't want no more beer. He don't want no more nothing. He wants something and he don't have no milk.
No milk.
And there's no milk.
Back to the beer.
He gotta go back to the beer.
Oh, shit.
We're going back to the beer.
I've never eaten nothing that hot.
Oh my God.
Holy fuck.
He said it's so hot. Oh.
Shit.
Yeah, yeah, wait till you do. No milk. Yep.
Oh shit.
He's getting redder and redder by the second. I think your blood pressure might be up, boss.
I've never tasted anything that hot, dude. Shit.
And then he took a handful of salt.
Oh, shit.
Up. There goes that 12-pack.
Shit.
There goes that 12-pack.
That jalapeno. That ain't shit. That ain't shit.
Hey, are we going to YouTube or Facebook this or what? Because I gotta let my guts see this.
That's so fucking hot. That is so fucking
Are
hot.
we online as we speak?
I feel like I'm breathing fire.
He hasn't a clue. Woo!
I feel sweat. Oh, god damn. Everything is burning.
Smile at the camera, baby. Smile at the
It's
camera.
awful.
We've been recording for 5 minutes and something now.
We got to sneak one on somebody's ass.
Oh, I hate to even hear what I sound like. Woo!
Woo, shit. It's getting hotter as I sit here.
He's not going to make it deep sea fishing.
Like my motherfucking lips are going to blister up. That'll work. Shit.
Got some bread. Oh, he takes a bite of jalapeno. Oh,
Anything.
he takes a bite of jalapeno.
Anything can be cooler than that ghost pepper.
Oh my God. He takes a bite of jalapeno.
You eat one of those ghost peppers, bro, you can chew a charcoal up out the grill. That's hotter than a flame in your mouth.
I'm loving this.
My eyes are watering.
Yo, your ass ought to be watered.
Oh.
There's a big old piece of glass and I hit it.
That is so hot.
Look at that.
You eat peppers? Huh?
The other day when I went to the store,
What's wrong with you, boy?
I picked up one of the hottest peppers. It was like a little orange pepper.
I got a pepper in there you can try. It ain't that hot. Do you want a piece of it?
Yeah. No, I ain't. What?
I wouldn't do that to you, man. I just ate one.
You have actually done better than all the people I've seen eat the damn
That
hot.
is the hottest thing I've ever put in my
I just
mouth.
did.
Ever.
Hey, do put another piece in your mouth.
Is it burning? Because I'm recording, baby.
It is so hot. I feel it. My throat's on fire. I feel it in my chest, my stomach.
Just all
I
over.
don't even want to know the aftermath. It's gonna be hot.
Another one.
I'm being
Well,
ice cream.
Wow. Look at that.
well,
John.
we're 7.5 minutes into the video, and you've done better than most I've seen in the videos.
Look at my knuckles.
Yeah, we see a little flame coming out. I see that little punk.
That ain't nothing.
Crap.
That bush.
I think I'm about over it.
Come on.
It's calming down.
It's calming down.
It's the calm after the
So it takes about 8 minutes, 9 minutes,
yeah.
until it gets to where you can actually stand yourself.
Until it repeats itself again.
Now, look,
I do not recommend it.
say it for the camera.
That damn ghost
I
pepper
am
is
not
hot.
smarter than a fifth grader.
But I can't eat the ghost pepper.
He can't eat the ghost pepper.
And it's a hot. If I wasn't drunk, that motherfucker wouldn't have went in my mouth. Shit!
But he's fixing to go deep sea fishing.
We're going deep sea fishing.
Woo! We gotta do it. One time in life. You don't live long.
We're gonna go deep sea fishing, and as soon as I hook a big ass fish, I'm gonna eat a ghost pepper. So I'm gonna suffer, and my mouth is gonna be on fire while he's suffering, and his mouth is on fire. with that hook in it.
Yeah, y'all heard that from the head. Look at the size of his noggin.
Woo!
Oh God, look at the color of his noggin.
Ghost pepper.
Yeah, get your nerding.
Until next time.
I think you can do 2.
Until next time.
Over.
And out.